happy. It's raining season again here, so I don't need to shower my plants. Look, it's so nice. Look, it grows so fast and so good. So we have like here pare, my chinchao, and we have here regrow minahong. It was gone for a while. Now they are regrowing my minahong. Still have my pandan over here. These are expensive. Pandan are expensive, and that's the chinchao, the rare, very rare black chinchao or green chinchao. They call it black dawat. Here they sell black dawat or black cendol, actually made from this, because I know the taste. It's my my chinchao. We have different type of chinchao. Look, it's so many. Look, growing over here. We already harvested before, like those are the leaves we pick, and it regrow that way here. Wait, what is it? Oops. Oh, there it is. So here, so we pick here, we pick over here. This is the last time we harvest, and they regrow this way, which is awesome. So look, like this one here, it was harvested here, and they will regrow from over here. Oh, look, it's growing up bigger again. It start to grow as miracle size. My siri. Look, there. These are antibiotics, natural antibiotics. Look, minahong, they regrow my minahong. This is pare, and I have this legor, and I have this. This is leaf deva leaves. These are very, very strong medicine, very good. I eat it like often. Look, my siri. I have just a little bit of orange leaves because we need it for cooking and for sambal. So whenever we need for sambal or cooking, we have a little bit because the fragrance is strong. I have these sour leaves. This is asam or sour fruit. The leaves already sour, so even though we don't have the fruit, we have the leaf. Even here, the dry leaf still sour. This is toothache medicine. For toothache, just use it. I need to cut this one here. It's actually miracle, but I need to cut it. So we have here also. Yay! We are reducing this papaya. We're reducing this because we want more minahong. Look, that's minahong. It's already grow longer again. We want to grow more minahong and the chinchao. Look at the miracle. Look, that's a miracle giant siri. Still huge over there. It's going over there. That's good, which I really needed to go over there. So here, so that's how huge it is. Now the real size is this big. There, these are the real size, very small, and it grows so big. So if you see something like that, that's usually belong to silverite or mandrakes or varanasi. It's grows so big, huge, giant. So anyway, these are the real size, very small. These are the real size. And the miracle will grow so large. It's like half meter plus 50 to 60 centimeter length. While the origin is only like what, 10, 20, 10 to 20 centimeter. It's like half meter, like 60, 50 centimeter, half meter length. And here it's only probably like 10, 15, something like that, even smaller now. So I'm just happy. We need this because this is very rare. My neighbor decided to cut it, so we took some. Like this one, I took this big branch over here and just put it that way at a small face. I put it just like this. You see, it's very tiny face, a very tiny container and tiny soil, but it's already growing so large until it grow to the back over here. Look at this. They are absorbing water from here. These are the roots. That's why they need a small, look, only small tiny land. And I have another one over here. Yeah, this one is not growing though, but it's still a possibility to regrow. But I have this over here, this one here, big one over here. That one is also growing on the back over here. So this one here is from there. So I got it from, look, Billy are here. This belong to Intel Army, and they usually bring Billy Mandrix. So I got it from here, there. This one's still small. It was huge to the roof. It's only that big. So this rock, this trash junk, belong to Intel Army. We have like very pacaklik, no harvest, and we have plastic problems, right? And this plastic problem increasing of prices and making Indonesian people suffering so bad. But the Intel Army are the one who collecting plastic and recycle them. So these are plastic. We recycle them. So we controlling the plastic, but at the moment we have difficulty about plastic because Indonesian are getting very lazy. They refuse to cook, right? They refuse to planting, they refuse to cook, then they buying. They refuse to even boil mineral water. They refuse to boil water. They keep buying aqua, mineral bottle, plastic water, and that's what make the balance of plastic and recycling plastic become bad. So it's because of Indonesian become lazier and sloth. They keep buying ready food like this. Everything must be wrapped. They refuse to cook their own food. They keep buying wrapped food. So the plastic consuming daily increasing like more than 50 times because Indonesian people are getting too lazy to cook, getting too lazy to bring bottles water from home to make their own juice, to make their own tea. They keep buying, and the plastic producing increasing, making the plastic price also increase because who will produce the plastic? Well, everybody are freaking lazy. If they cook their own food, not using all plastic container, breakfast, one plastic container, food, one plastic container, water, drink. That's 2 container of plastic for just breakfast. Then lunch they buy again, then dinner they buy again, then the snack they buy again, and that's the plastic one day consumed by 1% of Indonesia who are getting too lazy to cook. Alright, so we do our best, but the plastic price will keep increasing if Indonesians start to get lazier and demand plastic wrap food all the time.